Greetings, car fanatics. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the battery on a Porsche 911. Now this is a 997, but the procedure should pretty much work on any recent Porsche 911. Before we get started in this video, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you're not. This is really important so I can continue to make new content for the channel. So I came back to my car after it sat for about 5 months, and at that point the battery was completely drained and dead and beyond the point of revival. So in order to replace the battery on a 911, you actually have to open up the front area and replace the battery. However, if your car battery is completely dead, you won't actually be able to open up the front because there's no power to actually release the latch. So here's what you're going to have to do. So if your car is locked, just take the key and unlock the door manually. Then now we're gonna have to get into the interior footwell area. There's actually a jumper in the little fuse area, and you actually need to jump that in order to apply power to the front and be able to open it. So let me show you how to do that. Gain access to the fuse box by pulling off this plastic panel. Then you can grab these pair of clips which allow you to pull different fuses and such. We're going to use it to pull out this red jumper over here. With the terminal exposed, I'm using this portable battery jump starter, and I'm connecting the positive terminal to the red clip. Then you want to take the negative terminal and connect it to the door hinge. Alright, now the hood should open up since we're supplying it with power. And perfect. So to gain access to the battery, we need to remove the plastic battery cover, which is just held on by 2 twist clips. Now we're ready to undo the positive and negative terminals, which are held on by 10mm nuts. Just loosen this up and then work those terminals off the battery. Let's go ahead and remove the bracket that holds the battery in place. It's just held on by a 13mm bolt. And before we can remove the battery, we want to remove this vent line. Just take that out and get it out of the way. Alright, now it's time to remove the battery, but I have to warn you, this battery is heavy. If you are not in good shape, it's really important that you train before you remove the battery, or you might blow out your back or lose your manhood in the process. Now it's time to put the new battery. I'm going to be using a Duralast Gold battery that I purchased from AutoZone for about $150. If you're interested in purchasing this battery, take a look at the description below where I'll leave a link. So I'm using this H8DLG battery. It is a group size 49 battery, and it actually exceeds the specifications of my old battery. Dimension wise, it's a perfect fit, so let's go ahead and reinstall the battery in reverse order. Alright, we've got the battery installed, and it's important to point out that if you don't drive your car very often, it's very helpful to have one of these cheap trickle chargers that you can buy for about 20 bucks at Harbor Freight or Amazon. This is going to prevent you from ruining your battery by letting it go flat. So there you have it, car fanatics. As you can see, it's really easy to replace the battery on a 911. You do have the extra complications of opening up the front, but once you know how to do that, it's pretty simple and straightforward. If you want more DIY content, take a look at my new website, www.ecarguides.com, where you can find detailed DIY instructions for your Porsche and other vehicles. Well, thanks for watching, car fanatics. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Leave any comments or questions below, and be sure to hit that bell notification icon so you're notified each time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.